guys, RLC321 back again with another JJ Prize update for you. This time I'm going to be testing the strobe, the double strobe and the pulsing, the flashings basically. So what I'm going to do, this is just to be a test and to get things all set up. Okay, so we've already seen the video of me putting this all together. That's fine. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to wrap the wire around here, because as I say, this is only test, so I don't want it to be on permanently. And let's do the same with the negative. There we go, that's that one. And let's do the same with the opposite side. Okay, and now, damn it. Let me do the same with the positive there. And keep these apart. So this side, we don't need any resistors on the LEDs because the resistors are built into the board. Okay, so that's one good thing we don't have to worry about. So let's spread these out a little bit. And how am I going to do this? Well, I think maybe I should have put the wires on the LED first, quite possibly, but right now it doesn't matter. I'm here now, so that's what I'm doing. Okay, there's that one. And again, the positive on the LEDs is always the longer leg. Okay, so as you can see there, that's the longer leg there. So that's always the positive. So how did I do this before? Why can't I do it now? That is the question. Right, let's just no. So let's hold it onto it there and get it to wrap around a little bit. There we go, and then we do the same with the negative. There, okay, so now we got the positive. This is going to be the double strobe, that's going to be the normal pulse. Now I've got one of these recently in the post, let me just show you. One of them there. Let's put it up there just for now. And we get these. So what it is, it's a DC power unit. And what's good about this is you get the alligator clips there that you can use, and you switch it on. And I want it set to 9 volts, which is what this is designed for. So I just turn the knob until it gets to about 9 volt. And there we go, 9 volts. So now I'm going to turn the camera back round to me. Oh, not me per se, but down there we go. So now we've got the board done, right? According to the instructions, you press and hold the mode switch, which is right here, for 3 seconds. Click the switch twice. Each time an LED will light. Press and hold the switch again for 3 seconds, and then you click through the program until you get the desired effect. Okay, so let's get our negative clipped on first there, and then we get our positive clipped on the opposite side. Now then, we want to make sure they're not touching. So I'm actually going to put the positive at the back there. Okay, so it says to press and hold 1, 2, 3. Okay, then 1, 2. And then cycle through. So 1, 2, 3. Right, so that's doing its thing. Then pressing 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, and then just click through the desired effect. But it's not giving me the double strobe yet. Let's try and go just a tiny bit higher. Let's go to 10. Let's try it again. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. And then just click until you get to the desired. Because you can see this one is trying to do the double blink, but it's only doing the double blink when I hold on to it. So this is doing the pulse flashing, which you can see there, but this one's only doing the double blink. And I don't know why it's not only when I hold it. So okay, so I may have to contact Gary and find out what's going on here. So yeah, positive and negative is correct. We've got everything all on the board correct. I mean, it does light up. I don't think anything is touching where it shouldn't touch. No, got plenty. So let's try it again. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 1, 2, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Right. That's not... something isn't right. And I'm not entirely sure what it is. As I say, the fact that everything's all in place, and the board underneath is all connected correctly. Right, I'm back again. I'm a fucking idiot. That's what I am. I am an idiot. I didn't pay attention to what I was doing. I was getting things done too quick. Positive, positive, negative, negative on the inside. I had the positive over there. That's why it wasn't working properly. Now I haven't tested I haven't tested this yet. I'm hoping that is what the problem was. So let's plonk you on there. We press and hold 1, 2, 3. Press 1, 2, and then press and hold 1, 2, 3. And then I should be able to cycle through the programs, which is not allowing me to. Dagnammit! I could have sworn that would have been it. There we go. Hey guys, RLC321's Fantastic Plastic back again. Oh, tits. Off. There we go. Right. Managed to fix the problem. What it turns out to be, let's take this off here. and get a pointy stick. There we go. So, right, just over here, you can see there's no metal circle plate like there should be. Okay, that had broken off somehow, and it also done the same thing at the bottom as well. At first it was just the bottom, and then the top came off as well. So then I realized this was also coming up loose, but down here it seemed fine. So all I'd done, because the connection seems fine here, so it still wouldn't work. Even though I fixed this, I've done this, it still wouldn't work. So this one would, this one wouldn't. Once I changed this, and how I'd done this was I just put a piece of wire, you know the stuff I told you not to throw away when you're building using things, don't throw them away. But I put it to this resistor, because this there is going straight to the resistor, as you can see, and obviously that connection is now broken from there, so it's not going to connect. So I put a shunt from there, from the resistor, into the hole, and then in the hole is where the positive lead is now going to be coming out. So that's where the positive is, and that's going to be the negative. Not only that, I had to put a little shunt, a little wire, coming from this negative terminal to this negative terminal to connect the two. But before then, sorry, this wouldn't work. I got this working, but then this one wouldn't work. So what I had to do then is, well, if I thought this area was the problem, I created another shunt with just a little bit of wire coming from the negative to the negative here, and then I decided to put another shunt from the resistor to the positive on the top here. It's not perfect, in an ideal world, but it's there and it's working. And then, because I thought this was also a problem, I decided just to add another shunt just here, which I actually need to clean off a bit. There we go. Clean that off just a little bit. And now, whew, now, right, stop twirling on me. Now we have the correct thing. We've got our pulse going on, and we've got our double strobe working. And believe me, it took me a good 2 or 3 hours to get this figured out and working. But it is. That's all that matters. It's working. So I don't necessarily think it's a problem with, I mean, it's probably just a bad board, which isn't anyone's problem. It happens. So it's nobody's fault. But I was able to get it fixed, and we got it working. Whew, which I'm so glad about. So anyway, I just thought I'd show you that the pulsing and the double strobe is now working. There is a few other different effects on here. If I click the button again, it then will show you different effect. And I press it again, and again. I'm not entirely sure which is the best one to use. This one or there was another one there. Where is it? This one, wasn't it? Could use that one. Not entirely sure. Could just use that. No, we don't want both pulsing. So we'll stick to this. This is the double blinks that we need. So guys, I'm going to say thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye now.